What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Facebook Live. All right. Like to welcome y'all to my show. I'm live. All right. So
I did not.
look what we got. We turn the camera on. Look everything. Good old comic books. All right.
Hopefully in the next like 4 to 6 weeks.
All right. All right. Just hey, how you doing? I'm doing. So how you doing?
I'm sorry?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Hey, would you like to be on my show?
Sure.
All right, you're on my show now.
Hi.
All right, I'm doing Facebook Live, and this is recording.
Okay.
All right, so anyway, y'all want to say your name on the show, huh?
No, I don't care. This is all Jamie Tyndall's artwork. I'm Murphy. I'm a colorist.
Oh, what'd you say?
This is all Jamie Tyndall.
Jamie Tyndall, who's that? You?
No, Jamie Tyndall is the artist. I'm Murphy. I do the color.
All right, okay. Well, you're on the Domino 7 show.
Cool.
And this Facebook Live footage is going on YouTube as well. I don't know when. All right. Call me Domino 7.
Hey, Domino 7.
All right. All right. So this one is not gonna go on the Comic-Con listing, but well, I hope you watch the show, yeah.
Cool.
So well, as soon as I finish doing my Facebook Live, I'm gonna do a YouTube Live. All right. So nice meeting you here.
It's nice to meet you. My Domino 7.
All right. Well, just call me Domino.
Domino.
All righty. Come on. All right. So here we go. All right. So let's go walk around, show y'all who is who. Okay. So doing a little. Oh, let's see what's over here. Okay. Bob Camp. Okay. Yes, indeed. Ren and Stimpy. Yeah, I like Ren and Stimpy. How y'all doing? I'm doing the show. Oh, I ain't talking to myself. Would y'all like to be on my show? Oh, y'all must be camera shy, huh?
What's up?
Oh, all right. Hey, how's everything? Which I love Ren and Stimpy though.
Yeah, what did you like? I'm sorry. What?
I said I sure like Ren and Stimpy. I was showing my viewers.
Oh yeah.
Y'all won't be on the show, huh?
Sure.
Oh, you on the show now?
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Facebook Live and I'm recording with this camera. Okay.
Nice.
The other people I won't.
I'm coming here to say hi too.
Oh,
This is Bob Camp, and I'm Missy.
Bob Camp. Oh, you Bob Camp.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he is. This guy right here. It says it on his tag.
Oh, okay.
Bob Camp.
Oh, you're famous, right?
He's a famous guy.
Oh, okay.
And he was the co-creator of the Ren and Stimpy show.
Oh, I can't believe I meet you in person.
Yeah, in person. This guy right here.
Oh,
Yeah,
creator.
he's
I mean,
on his shirt.
Ren always say, "You idiot."
That's right.
What did he say?
You idiot. That's a weird looking little wren. That's like one of those.
So I'm doing the Facebook Live. So this Facebook Live is gonna go on YouTube.
Hey, Facebook, hey, YouTube.
All right. This is recording and this is live.
Okay. Happy,
you
joy,
are
joy.
Happy, joy, and fire dogs and cat hair balls. I remember all that.
Oh yeah.
Log. It's log. It's log. It's
Exactly.
log.
And look at this, because we have seat cushions.
Oh.
Our love.
All right.
Only they're a little bit softer than real life.
Truth or Gambling, if you Randy TV, if you're watching this, I can't believe you missing out.
You're missing out. No, you're
Yeah,
still
but he gonna be here tomorrow,
okay,
Yeah, we'll be here.
and my friend Bobby gonna be here too.
Nice.
All right, but I hope my friends Kristen and Allie be here.
Well, I hope so too.
Yeah,
It's not gonna be
because-
the same without 'em.
Because Kristen and Allie.
Prints so that everybody can see what we have in case they want some Ren and Stimpy prints.
All right.
We brought all of these prints for everybody's enjoyment and pleasure.
Oh yeah,
And
I copied over.
Bob likes to do drawings here.
You the creator Ren and Stimpy. Thank you so much.
Co-creator. He does drawings right here like that. Check that one out. Isn't that neat?
I want to tell you thank you so much. You made my childhood great. Well, let me stop this tape right here, okay? Well, I'll be back on, so I'll be right back after these messages. Oh, y'all want to wave? Okay.
So we're gonna take a little break.
Bob Kemp, the co-creator of Ren and Stimpy, y'all.
Right here.
That's right.
All right.
Where's the squirrel?
Let me stop.